So I'm practicing some cinnamon rolls because I'm like kind of pre-planning my Christmas vibes around here. And in doing that, I think now is the perfect time to make some vanilla extract. And you can make a huge vat of it.
That's a lot of vanilla.
This is a lot. It's a lot of alcohol, okay? And I wanted to talk to you about how to make it, why make it, and how fun it is to give it away as gifts. Like, you know, you need some gifts for the office, some teacher gifts, things like that. Real vanilla is a gift that keeps on giving because it is a complex, wonderful flavor that heightens all of your baking. And I wanted to share with you different kinds of vanilla that you could get, but also how to make this. So why don't we, boom, right out of the gate, talk about making vanilla extract. So I just ordered these from Amazon because there's lots of places you can get them. This was the fastest.
Okay.
And I mean, it says Vanilla Kings. So
yeah,
here we go. Anyway, this also says, this is very enlightening, that this is gourmet A level. Now, that means that you could be using these in like your gourmet level ice creams, desserts. These are high end, really beautiful, very plump. They're not dried out. Sometimes you'll want to use level B because they are a little bit drier. They will plump in inside your alcohol. Your alcohol will pull everything out of them. You don't need to spend as much money on beans, but this was the only place I could get them, and they only sold level A. So I'm gonna open these guys up, and I can smell them through the package, so I can't even
How is that
wait.
possible?
It smells so good.
What is it even like? I don't know if I've ever seen it.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
So if you're, if you've ever used them, you know that you take a knife and you split it down the center. You don't puncture it all the way. And then you take the back of your knife and you scrape out all the beans, and they're really beautiful. So like if you wanted to make like a yogurt parfait and you want to see the beans in anything that you're making, you would use real vanilla beans. So, but today we're going to submerge them into the huge container of alcohol. And then what we'll be able to do is pour little cute bottles. Like you could make 20 bottles out of this big bottle of vodka.
Oh,
look at that.
There it goes.
Isn't that fun? Now, what you want to do is, it's about 1 ounce of vanilla bean per 8 ounces of alcohol, or about 25 to 30 beans per 25 to 30 beans per large container like this. I'm gonna just do these, this is 25, because they're grade A and they're plump and gorgeous, and they're gonna give so much flavor to this. So I was learning that they come from an orchid, and then they tried to produce them elsewhere and they couldn't, and they figured out the orchid doesn't produce what it needs to until it's pollinated correctly. And then someone figured out how to pollinate them correctly, self-pollination.
Really?
And so then they were able to move where now they're in Madagascar. Oh, the vodka's getting all the way up to the top.
Oh, I said the vodka's rising.
Oh, here's one that's not as good. Kind of dried out. This is probably more like a level B, where you see this is a level A, grade A,
I see.
grade B. I can feel it. And this is okay if you get grade B, and then you just get about 30 of them and put them in. So I have 25 today for this great big bottle. But this great big bottle is gonna turn into lots of little gifts. And it's gonna take about 6 months for you to really start to see, oh, this is vanilla extract. Oh, all gone.
Now, will the alcohol kind of go away then? Or no?
Oh no, it'll always still be alcohol.
Is there that much alcohol in like that?
No, okay, so I'm glad you asked. Why, thank you, Mark. So this is a mix of alcohol and like caramels. They mix it sugar, pretend gums. You have to read the ingredients. Some of them are better than others. This is not like high end or anything. This is just Trader Joe's. But what's really nice about a paste versus an extract is the paste has the beans suspended in it. So if you're making like something where you want to see those beautiful beans, you can put this in. Now, some people will pay a lot of money for really nice paste, and they'll put it in things that it gets cooked off. And there's really no point in spending high-end for something that gets cooked off. So think about this in something where it's low level cooking. It's something really quick, like maybe if you did some strawberries on the stovetop with a little sugar and you wanted to put this in and you could see it. You didn't cook off the intense flavor of this. So, and then you could also be thinking, well, why use vanilla extract at all? Well, think of it like salt. Like you don't put in a cup of salt. You put in a little bit of salt. You don't put in 3 cups of chocolate chips. Maybe you do in your cookies. But you put in a cup of chocolate chips in your cookies. It's a taste. It's a flavor. It helps boost other things.
Okay.
So that's why you put it. And the alcohol pulls out that vanilla and it preserves it so that it can stand up to whatever you're cooking. That's why I say use vanilla extract if you're cooking over a long period of time, and use paste if you're doing something that's a little more raw, a little bit more showy, something where you want to see those beans, because you're never going to see the beans in this. Speaking of the beans, don't get the beans both, Frank. Speaking of the beans.
I've been waiting to roll that beautiful bean footage.
Speaking of the beans, the great part about this is you're going to put these beans in.
Okay.
You're going to store it in a dark place. You're going to make sure those beans stay completely submerged. But when you pour the vanilla extract into your little containers, you could take one and kind of swirl it and put it at the bottom of the container. Just make sure they know it needs to stay submerged. Yeah. But you can take them out and then you can use them in whatever you're baking, because it's just alcohol. The alcohol will burn off in whatever you're baking. So you have 25 beans that you can use throughout the year as long as you keep them submerged, and you can cook with them. Now, everybody's seen this little guy. This one's actually not as bad. It says pure vanilla extract. So I'm banking on the fact that it actually is pure. But sometimes if it just says vanilla flavoring, and you're like, it's $3 versus $7, I'm just gonna go for $3. You could do that, but it's not real. And what it usually is like some kind of fake caramel that's like, it's just made with pretend stuff.
I see.
So you might as well get something that's a little bit more high end, or make your own, because not only will you have gifts for everyone else, but you will be cooking with something that is far superior than you can buy in the store. Or I'm sure you could find really nice stuff somewhere that's very expensive, but this was $15, and I think this was like $20, $25. So, and I'm making at least, these are done rising, at least 15 presents. So if you think about that, that's
maybe more, maybe 30 if you get little bottles. I mean,
look at little ones.
Look at how little that little thing is.
Yeah, I mean, I'd suppose I'd want something a little more substantial.
Sure.
I could write a little cookie recipe and tie it, and it could be like a really nice presentation. So anyway, you do whatever works for you, but you can see just how easy this is. I'm going to store this.
Where are you going to store it?
Airtight in a dark place. Once in a while, I'm going to kind of stir them around. They're going to let out all that beautiful vanilla into the alcohol. It's going to start turning dark and dark and dark, and you can use it at 6 months, but it's really good at 12 months.
Okay.
So I'm a little behind the 8 ball right now. I only have 4 months till Christmas.
Okay.
But then you can write that on your card. Use this in 2 months.
And it can have a date when it's ready. I like that.
It's ready between here and there.
Sure.
So anyway, and if you have somebody who's not a baker and you're giving it, don't put the vanilla bean in, because they won't really know what to do, and then you could be giving something that's kind of toxic. Okay, I'm gonna go put this in a dark place.
Okay.
That's so beautiful.
All right, and then we're gonna throw these in the oven now?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that dark enough?
I think so, because we don't really open it.
That's a good point.
There. Bye.
Okay.
See you later.
See you in the spring.
So it's been a few days, and I just made some granola this morning. We'll have to go over like a little granola series. This would be a great place to use your homemade vanilla.
Yeah.
It'd be really great. Speaking of that, the homemade vanilla that you are going to make and give away as gifts, I've been looking for some cute little containers, so I have a couple ideas for you, little 4-ounce containers. And it's just gonna be something, a little piece of love that you can give to somebody that's super affordable.
And so links down below with everything, right?
Yeah, I'll put a link down below with 2 different kinds, because there's one with like a pop-off and there's one with a screw lid, but they have little labels and they're super cute.
Yes.
Anyway, but we wanted to chat with you that this is kind of how we're gonna do things around here. We'll post a few videos a month. We'll go live a couple times a month. And I really would like to do a series maybe over the course of 3 months. Like maybe we do a pasta series. Not only like making different kinds of pastas, the origin stories of the pastas, but making like from scratch the different shapes and things like that. I think
like orchietti.
Yes, I think it could be a lot of fun together. But let me know what your thoughts are down there and what other kind of series you'd like to do. I know we just got a green egg outside, so it'd be kind of fun to do some barbecue, pizzas, all kinds of stuff. And also, if you saw those little Swedish rolls, let me tell you, American cinnamon roll versus Swedish rolls, I got a little kickback. Like, oh no, if it doesn't have cream cheese frosting, I'm not having it. Well, guess what? The Swedes are winning after the taste test. So I'll put that together for you too. Actually, I have a little short that I'm gonna post.
Yeah.
But anyway, give me your ideas. What do you want to chat about? I think this is a lot of fun. And
Let's go see, can we go see the vanilla? It's only been a few days, but can we see it?
Yeah, because I really like learning together.
Yeah.
So, and this is a great way to do it.
Yeah.
So, anyway, here we are.
In our,
Oh,
Oh,
she's turning
oh.
amber. Look at that. It's only been a few days.
yeah.
So you remember when we were in Champagne, France?
Yeah.
And they had all the bottles of champagne like this?
Oh.
And they would take them and they'd twist them.
Is that what they were doing?
Yeah, they twist them for, I forgot what the fermentation that they were doing for all the bubbles. But anyway, but they kept them upside down and it was in a dark cellar. So
yeah.
that's what I'm thinking about here.
Okay.
So fun. So we'll keep it in a dark place and we'll twist it once in a while. Anyway, bye for now. We'll put your ideas down below because I'd love to hear them, and we'll make some yummy stuff together.
Making it harder. No, you're getting one coal.
I feel like this is Ocean's 11. Like
Oh
those.
gosh, look at this. Look. You're not letting me do my thing. Look, I gotta get in there. I gotta get in.
You give 3 people a 1-person job, and it's just chaos, okay? Okay?
Yeah.
Second thing, I apologize profusely for giving Carson that blower. He's like out there, I have a right to bear blows. I mean, he's out of control with the thing.
so bad.
It's so bad.
So bad.
Yeah, he doesn't.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry. So sorry.
The blows is working. The Bonsai Progress?
I would like to see it, but I'm gonna make sure we don't burn our food.
Okay.
Piper, go see Mom and Dad.
Okay, throw that in. What time is it?
Okay.
Oh, what do you have in there?
We got roasted potatoes.
Oh my gosh.
We're roasting and toasting, and we're gonna throw in our garlic bread.
We better start a timer on that bad boy right there.
No kidding, or I will burn that to a crisp.
Uh-huh.
Okay.